Hey seniors, what's up? This is Ryan Cabrera. I'm going to be performing at this year's Grad Night. So I'm really looking forward to the all-night party we got planned for Grad Night 2005. My friends at Disney tell me it's going to be redonkulous. So I'll see you in April at Grad Night.
For me and my friends to have one time together, just us.
Just you, your friends, your old friends, new friends, soon to be friends.
I love the fact that they close the whole place down and then open it back up at night for just me and my friends.
You own the place, you know, it's your own little world. You go out and just do whatever you want.
It was more like Disney on our terms, not anybody else's terms. We just went and, you know, our rules, no one else's, no one could stop us. It was great.
Disney Grad Night was all about me, and my friends. I own the park, but I let them in.
Oh, it was cool. They were playing good music.
The people dancing around you, you start feeling the music, you're dancing, having a good time.
Whether it's hip-hop you like, whether it's R&B, rock, I was 3 feet from one of my favorite rock bands, which I didn't expect either. You know, the entertainment's great.
The music's one of my favorite parts of the whole evening. The energy it brings and dancing with your friends and having a great time.
Grad Night's just really important because it's like the last big event you share together before you move on.
Well, high school goes by so fast, and it's great to come to Magic Kingdom and just have fun and act like a kid and just party and not have any other worries.
You could have any normal graduation like everyone else, or you could have an amazing time. You could graduate special. So that's what we chose to do.
Best friends, you gotta be with them.
You have to be with your friends. That's the best part of it.
Wow, you have so many rides.
We went on the teapots. Is that what they're called? We went on the teacups and it was great. Everyone was having a blast, and spinning fast, and it was just a lot of fun.
You've got music, amazing music. You've got DJs everywhere.
Karaoke, I'll tell you about karaoke. Signing up for karaoke, being on stage, singing and dancing, having a crowd around you like you're really famous.
The girls. Whew.
Yeah, there's a lot of cute guys.
Plenty of beautiful ladies to talk to, everywhere.
Grad Night is a great way to meet gentlemen, individuals, especially since they're dressed up nice, you know, that helps.
A lot of cute guys. There was a lot of cute guys walking around.
When you see Mickey and Minnie on TV, you're like, oh, that's just a little kid thing. But once you get here and you see Mickey and Minnie, it's like, Mickey, Minnie. You have to run up to them and give them a hug.
All your peers, it's all your friends.
It was our group having a great time and having the best time, I think, of our senior year.
This is a moment you're not going to forget, so take it from me. If you don't go, you'll regret it.
Disney Grad Night is off the chains.
I can look back and say that was one of the best times of my life up to now, having that just an amazing evening with me and my best friends.
It's great. It's special.
I'm glad I did it. I'll never regret it, and I hope everyone does it too.